Unpacking Idioms, Coin Money, Explained. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting English phrase that might sound a bit puzzling at first. Coin money. It's a phrase you might hear in movies, podcasts, or maybe in a business meeting. But what does it really mean? Let's unlock this mystery together, and by the end of this video, you'll be using coin money like a native speaker. In English, coin money is an idiom, a phrase where the meaning isn't immediately obvious from the words themselves. It actually has nothing to do with making coins. Historically, coining money meant literally making currency by stamping metal. However, in modern usage, to coin money means to make a lot of money, often easily, rapidly. It implies success and wealth, suggesting that someone is earning as if they were literally creating their own money. Knowing the origin of an idiom can really help in understanding its current meaning. The idiom, coin money, dates back to when coins were first made. Only certain authorities, like monarchs and governments, had the right to coin money. They controlled the process of creating currency, which was a direct source of wealth. Today, while we can't just create currency, when someone is coining money, they are figuratively minting cash with whatever profitable activity they're engaged in. Now, let's see how to use coin money in a sentence. Her new app was so popular that she was coining money within a month of its release. You don't need to win the lottery to coin money. Sometimes a good investment or a successful business can do the trick. Since the book series became a hit, the author has been coining money with movie deals and merchandise. These examples show people earning a significant amount of money, emphasizing the profitability and success of their ventures. It's important to know when to use the idiom, coin money. It's perfect for situations where someone is making a lot of money, especially when it seems to come to them with remarkable ease or speed. You wouldn't use it for someone just getting by or earning a standard salary. It's a phrase that conveys amazement at someone's earning ability and is often used in a congratulatory, envious, or descriptive context. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of coin money, and you feel ready to use it in your own conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to add flavor to your language and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll be coining money in your English conversations in no time. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.